Mesothelioma is almost always caused by asbestos exposure, and the ways that people can be exposed to asbestos are numerous. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral, and some people may be exposed to asbestos in areas around asbestos mines, as well as places where road construction is occurring where asbestos-containing rock may be used. Talc can also contain asbestos fibers, and people who work in talc mines or talc mills, as well as people who live in the nearby area, may be affected. The most common exposure to asbestos is occupational, coming into contact with asbestos fibers at work. Naval personnel and shipyard workers, especially those who worked in the boiler rooms of ships, were commonly exposed to asbestos. Other workers in the heating and construction industries may have been exposed due to the common use of asbestos in insulation surrounding boilers, pipes, and other building materials. Any building constructed prior to the reduction of the widespread use of asbestos is likely to contain some asbestos materials, and anyone performing demolition or maintenance on such buildings should proceed with caution. People who produce products or work with products that contain asbestos may also have high exposure rates to asbestos. Asbestos is known to have been used in products such as brake linings, insulation, flooring tiles, textiles, shingles, plastic materials, drywall and joint compounds, and more. Workers doing maintenance or renovation work with or around asbestos-containing materials are easily exposed. But you need not have worked directly with asbestos-containing products to have been exposed to asbestos. Other employees in a facility that created or used asbestos-containing products may have been exposed to asbestos fibers in the air. Also, family members are commonly exposed as a result of asbestos fibers being brought home on workers' clothing or hair. A 1989 partial ban on the manufacture and distribution of some asbestos-containing products also banned new uses of asbestos, and the last asbestos mine in the U.S. closed in 2002. The U.S. has extensive federal, state, and local laws limiting the use of asbestos. However, asbestos is not fully banned in the United States, and approximately 1.3 million workers in the U.S. are exposed annually, mostly from pre-existing asbestos use.